What's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? What's up, the NSLG? So today we have a $6 account and we're gonna be raising it up to a certain big figure. Okay, big figure. We don't know yet, but we'll know when we get there. But let's say above 1,000. All right, to make things more exciting. So we're gonna be using the volatilities under the broker Deriv. So if you don't have that broker yet, you can just sign up just under the link. Okay, but if you don't have it, just comment hi and I will drop the link on your comment. Okay, so that it will be easier for you. And another thing, do join my Telegram channel so that you don't miss these signals. And I'm gonna be starting copy trading so that everybody gets a win. All right, everybody has to win. All right, let's all win. Let's get this. Let's milk the brokers. Okay, so now I'm shouting for no reason. Okay, let's go back to the video. So in order to raise such a small account, a small figure like this, you have to be really precise with your entry points. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, you need to go to a lower time frame. Okay, be it 15 minutes, be it 5 minutes. This only applies when we are trading these indices, not the currencies. The currencies are affected because of the spreads, so this only works in the indices as the spreads are very tight. The moment you place your order, that's the moment you start making a loss or you're making a profit. So you need to make sure you know what you are trading before you decide to take the profit or the loss. So in order to make a profit here, I noticed there was an M. I noticed the M by drawing a trend line. So this specific pattern, if you search about patterns online, you would see something like this. And something like this, which is an M, it always goes down. All right, so that is what I used to take advantage of. Okay, so when it goes down, the minute I make the profit, I close. You see, I didn't make a loss there because when you go higher there, the SL was not reached. It was not reached, so the account survived. This is what I like more about the volatilities, is that the account will blow the exact moment when it has to reach almost a negative balance. Unlike the other brokers, when it reaches a certain threshold, the account will just close. So here we don't need that. We don't have that. All right, so here now I'm buying again because I'm anticipating that it has to go to the trend line, as most trends always do. They retest to touch the trend and then they come back with a wick. So that's what I'm trying to take advantage of. All right, so in the 30 minutes you can use the lower time frame so that the trade will be quicker and faster. If you want to use the H4, make sure you are accurate. I see most of you like very higher time frames, and there you'll be drawing very ugly patterns, very ugly trends. Therefore, you will make ugly profit. You know what I mean? Most of you make ugly profit. Yeah, you make like two. Oh shit. I mean, oh my. I seem to have blown my small account here. I made the wrong move. Instead of going up, it went down. You can all see that. That's a very stupid mistake. Oh my. But anyway, I redeposited another same amount so that we can go from there. All right, let's go. If I have blown an account when I'm just starting, like the first of my week, you know, it's a bit annoying. You want to revenge trade. So shall we revenge trade, guys? If you want revenge trade, just drop the comment in the comment section. Let's revenge trade. All right, let's revenge trade. That is, if I'm sure most of you have revenge traded before. I'm sure most of you have done that, and it has never ended well. That is what I know for sure. It has never ended well. So don't try it at home, anywhere or any place you might think. Don't try it. All right, just close your app. Go hang out with your girlfriend, or just go do something. All right, just withdraw whatever you have in that account and then go buy some ice cream, man. Just go buy some ice cream. I'm not saying I like ice cream, but I mean, I find it quite amusing. But I'm just saying, just go buy ice cream. All right, and then start again some other time. So I'm talking too much in this trade in jump 100 in the 1 hour time frame. I've seen some similar trades such as this one. Why am I in profit here? Well, it decided to sell. So from 6 I've managed to go to $20 because of the trade it had to sell. Most of you would think it's about to buy, but it always do the sell. So I had blown $6, so which means 6 plus 6, that's 12, so which means I am in profit by $8. How about we increase the profit? So if you see a trade like this, it looks like a triangle, right? And most of you would want to buy. Yes, you're correct, but don't buy just yet. You blow your account. Wait for now. You sell, because it always goes down to the next retest point. So you would want it to go to that point before you try to do anything stupid in the trade. So for now, you just need to sell it to the profit. Whether the minute you have the time frame which you'll be having at that moment, you just use that and then you sell, because these kind of trend lines, these patterns, they don't buy the moment you buy. All right, they go down to reach the liquidity zone or the liquidity grabs, whatever you call it. Some call it the area of confluence, some call it a retest, some call it always goes down to take the stop losses of the early entries of the early buyers. So whichever way you put it, be it, as long as it works for you, there is no what can I say, a certain way, a certain language that you must use for you to work. Have you ever noticed those guys who always say, my liquidity, it has gone to the liquidity, the order block on this? Have you ever noticed those guys are the ones who blow the most, because they are trying to sound fancy while they are blowing their account. They are trying to seem very fancy, to seem like they know everything. Don't be like those guys. Don't be like those. Just use the knowledge which you have. Don't try to overcomplicate things by saying, hey guys, the order block has just been reached, the time frame has just dropped, so I need to switch on the light now, because as you know, the signal has been reached. Oh guys, don't do that, my friend. Don't do that. Okay, just use common knowledge. It's very simple. Don't complicate things yourself. Okay, so for this instant trade, this is a Quasimodo where I put the shadow zone area over there, and then by drawing the trend line, I'm trying to see what type of a pattern which I have. The pattern is not clear, but what I know which is clear is the Quasimodo, that the left shoulder is to be reached in order to reach for the right shoulder, so it has to go up somewhere there. So I've managed to put quite a gamble over there. I've managed to put a lot of positions, so which means let's not go the wrong way, otherwise the account will go kaboom. So by the time it reaches the S, I'm just scalping to raise the account so that it accumulates the more lot sizes and the more positions, so that it accumulates more positions, so that I get more profit. It's scalping 101, scalping by Sage. Okay, so let's go NSLG. All right, so you see after a while it started to go with a spike up. So now that I have closed with 135, we had a loss of $6 at the beginning of the video, if you hadn't noticed. So to go in my Telegram channel, in our numbers, let's open copy trade. If you want copy trade, drop a comment below so that I know that we are as many, because we need to make profit in our numbers. So drop your comment so that I know that you want the copy trade. Okay, so in this trade we see a pennant, so we see a buy, right? We always see a buy. What about this buy? What is so amusing about this buy? Well, first is first, it always goes down just a little bit to touch the rally base rally over there, and then boom, it goes up. But some, they don't. But as we are scalping, I don't know, it decided to just go up just a little bit, and by going just a little bit, I've managed to take advantage. Now I'm selling, because I told you guys, the trade has to go down first. So the first trade was a little bit of a gamble, so I wouldn't want anyone to do that. The trade always goes down first and then it goes up. So this is why I'm selling full margin here, because the first trade I entered was a buy and it went up. Okay, so it seemed like the profit is going up fast, but no, I just fast forwarded so that it wouldn't be boring. I just fast forwarded it. This trade, it took more than this video length. This took more than 24 hours. So yeah, don't think it was done under 5 minutes. I've just compiled the parts so that I can make a video for you guys. Okay, so don't try to confuse yourselves. Okay, so I'm just going full margin, so which means any wrong move I am gone. Any wrong move I am gone. Okay, so I'm selling so that the price goes down to the gray shadow zone area so that I make more profit, and when it has reached past that point I have to buy so that it comes back up with me, as I told you before, that it goes down first and then it goes up. So that is what I'm doing here. So that is why you see I put a lot of trading positions, and they are lethal positions, as they accumulate quite a lot of loss or a lot of profit on such an amount in such an account. So the higher the account which I am saving is, the higher the profit which I'm making. So I'm using that risk reward ratio, but on a lethal scale, which is both similar, just a little. There's a thin line between this strategy and gambling. It's just a thin line. It's just that I know what I'm doing. That is why I'm doing it all of a sudden. So you might not understand the sudden quick movements which I'm making, but be rest assured the profit must be made so that we accumulate. I told you we were going to go revenge trading. So when you are doing revenge trading, it has to go something similar to basic trading, which I have done before in my video, if you had noticed. So now that it is decided to go up, it has surpassed the gray shadow zone area. So the next thing I want to do is to buy. Because such trends like these ones, they go up after going down. So by going down, they confuse the early buyers, but buyers like me are not confused. I will say, oh, let's go down. Yes, we are buying, but let's go down first. Let's go down where now that it's buying, we are in at least 1,000, or let's reach at least 1,000. We can just close it on 900 or 800 like there. No, let's go full margin. Let's go again. I would rather lose the 1,000 trying to reach the threshold of 1,000. I would rather lose the 981 which I have, because I won't settle for less. Okay, I studied too much for this thing. I want that $19 left. I want it more than the 981. I want the $19. In fact, you guys, you can take the 981. I want my $19. That is why I decided to go full margin on this particular entry again, such that it goes up. Okay, so now we are in 1.956. I just wanted 1,000, but anyway, that will also do the trick. Okay, so in fact, not that it's 1.956. Let's just reach 2k, shall we? Let's just reach 2k. Okay, so let's go full margin. I would rather lose the 1.956 trying to get the $44. Is it? That's the $44. Yes, if you know math well, that's the 44. I would rather lose the rest trying to get the 2k. All right, let me stop this trading. This time I won't say I would rather lose the 1.998 trying to gain the $2, because at some points you burn on the third entry. I have risked twice. I won't risk on the third. I'll just do that on another time. Okay, so in the meantime, just go in my Telegram channel so that we open copy trading. Okay, let's go, NSLG members. Let's go. We are behind time. We need to make money, guys. Okay, ciao. Let's wait for the next video. Okay. Bye.
So I've got a new thing for you guys that I'm going to introduce to you, and it's called Coin Plutus. As you can see over there, Coin Plutus synchronizes real-time data with mainstream exchanges such as Binance, which is fair, just, and open. It has been in operation for 3 years. You can open Binance exchange for data comparison. So first of all, you create your account, click on sign up. It's very simple. Enter your email, your phone number, your password, and then you confirm your password and your security pin that you'd like of your choice, and the invitation code that you would find in the description. Then click login. Voila. Whereas if you have the password, it will show you this. You put your phone number and your password, then click on login, then you are in the system and you're already making money. So I'm gonna show you how it works, and I'm gonna do everything so that you can see. So it is a referral program that if you refer a person, if you get a valid invite, you get 2 USD. If you can get 100 people to complete valid invitations, you get 559 US on top of the 2 USs per person. So that's a lot for you. So all you have to do is copy your referral link and share to your friends and family and wherever. So the first step obviously is depositing into your account. You go on deposit and then you click on your address, go to your Binance or whichever app, you withdraw to the app, then voila, as you can see, you have got 99 USD. So you contact the customer support so that you can claim the deposit bonus, which is 15%. I have already talked to them and they have agreed to add deposit bonus for my invitees. So not the usual 10%, you get 15%. So if I refresh my page right there, we're gonna see that I would have more. So trading is very simple. All you have to look is at the last 4 digits of the period and the duration and what it tells you. If you can see over there, it says 628 is the last number. It's a sell and the multiplier is 1x. So you come to the app, you open to the trade, you come here, click 10. I'm willing to trade $10. It means I'll get $10. I click on sell, and since it's 1 minute and the trade is going on BTC USDT, which is very simple and straightforward, you click your sell and wait for 1 minute. So under 1 minute you would have made $10 or you have made a loss of $10, and it so goes like that. So they have this method which is called the 3x, which I'm going to explain as we go. If you can see over there, we've made 19.4 profit. We've actually made double what I've actually told you. Instead of making $10, we've made $19 on top of the original capital that we have. So this is another signal that they have given. It's another sale again. You look at the last 4 digits on the period. So you wait for those digits. When that digit come, that means the signal would be active. So as you can see over there, it's on Bitcoin USD. I click my sell and I wait for the period that they have given. Once that period reaches, the signal ends. If it's under 1 minute, it will only last for 1 minute. If it's under 5 minutes, it will only last 5 minutes. If it's and so forth. Okay. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comment section. So under this method, they've used the 3x investments. It means that if you fail on your first initial investment, on the second investment you put 3 times the first. So the first one was $10, so I failed. So if I fail, it means that I would lose my $10. So the next investment should be $30. If it's $30, depending on which you have invested. Let's say your total capital is $10, you have invested $1 in the first, so the next investment will be $3. Okay. If you lose again on this second investment, the next would be double that. That's called the 3x investment. Okay. So under this one, you see I've lost $9.07, and on the second, which is $30, since my initial capital is $100, I've invested 30 USDT. So for that, it means that I'll earn more. So this is controlled, this is safe, this ensures maximum profit per person on a daily basis. All you have to do is take signals in the group. You can also trade by yourself if you wish. It is free. So if you can see over there, I wait for the period for it to reach so that I can check if my investment has gone well or has gone bad. I cannot say that every system or this system it's a guarantee win-win-win. No. On some you're going to win, on some you're going to lose, but at the end of it you're gonna get more. So total I've earned $58 from this profit from the 3x investment. So that's good news. My total right now is 315. So I'm going to show you how to withdraw this money to your exchange. So this is my address for my USDT TRC20. I click on withdraw and then I place it there. Everything is very simple. The withdrawal quantity that I would like, $300 or 305. It takes a withdrawal fee. So if you withdraw 315, it's gonna be a little bit less when it reaches your wallet. So but anyways, this is free money, so you won't mind. I've earned a lot of money from this, so I'm sure that if you give it a try, it will get you the same. Feel free to do so. If you do not like, please don't feel forced. I'm not forcing you. For only those who like, I am recommending for those who like to earn extra bucks on the side. So I'm going to put my withdrawal quantities, which is 315, and then you enter the 6-digit code of your choice that you would keep using in the future. It will still ask you for the 6-digit code. You put the one that you'd likely to remember. Okay, so this thing is very profitable. If you sign up and you deposit and you try it and you share to your friends and then deposit, you also earn money by referrals, which is very safe and sound. So let me submit my withdrawal so that I can show you the results as well. If you can see from my Binance, I've received. Ciao.